get involved in your community. When you have a studio, you are living and working within a community. And there are so many people out there that would benefit from your services. So why not go to your local library? They usually have a room that you can rent, and you can offer a mat class to people who sign up, and you can also talk to them about Pilates and the way that you do Pilates. So it is like a mini marketing face-to-face event that you're organizing. But you actually get to meet the people. You can also do a joint project, maybe with your local golf club or tennis club or dance school, where you can offer something of value, and you also have an opportunity to talk directly to their members. That way you can reach many people. People have enjoyed the event, they will tell other people about it. And you're no longer just a logo that pops up, or that strange looking place on the corner that have got these weird looking machines. They actually have got a face to put to the name. And they might understand a little bit more about Pilates. And the next time their friend says, oh, my low back's really sore, they might say, oh, I went to this really interesting talk. Maybe you'd like to go and try ABC Pilates. Yeah. So working with your community can become an incredibly powerful tool and can establish you as an authority and as an expert within your community. So don't be afraid to get out there and meet people. Don't always expect them to come to you. Sometimes you have to give a little bit to get something back.